I'm a tech founder, scrolling through resumes in a Seattle coffee shop. The clock's ticking, but the perfect candidate? Nowhere in sight. I need niche skills, fresh ideas, someone to push my startup forward. The local pool? It's just not enough.
That's where the H1B visa steps in, Mark. It's your key to global talent, bringing the world's brightest minds to your doorstep. Coders crafting game-changing apps, engineers building the future. These pros fill the gaps, spark innovation, and keep you ahead.
Wait, so you're saying giants like Google and Microsoft rely on this? They're hiring the best, no matter where they're from? H1Bs driving businesses and the economy forward?
Exactly, Mark. Talent knows no borders. And here's the deal, opportunities like this don't wait. Companies like Pivotal Leap are hiring H1B talent right now for roles like Salesforce developer. Your skills could be their next big leap. So, are you ready to shape the future? Connect with Pivotal Leap today and turn your expertise into opportunity.